Still broke. Despite working hard? These 7 habits could be silently stealing your money. Most people never notice them, and that's exactly why they stay broke. Let's uncover these costly mistakes and learn what to do instead. Habit number 1. Spending before making a budget. Many people spend first and only check balances afterward. Then they wonder where all their money disappeared. Without a plan, every paycheck gets assigned randomly. Instead, give every dollar a job before spending anything. A budget tells money where to go, not where it went. This single habit creates control and reduces financial stress. Habit number 2. Living to impress other people. Many purchases are made for attention, not necessity. Social media constantly pressures people to spend more. Looking rich and being rich are completely different things. Real wealth grows quietly while fake wealth seeks attention. Instead, focus on financial freedom, not public approval. Habit number 3. Ignoring small daily expenses. Small purchases feel harmless because each one seems tiny, but repeated daily spending becomes surprisingly expensive. A few dollars daily can become hundreds monthly. Track every expense for 30 days without exception. You'll quickly discover where your money actually goes. Habit number 4. Depending on debt for lifestyle upgrades. Debt makes expensive things feel affordable today, but future payments become larger than expected. Interest quietly turns small balances into financial burdens. Instead, save first and purchase later whenever possible. Freedom feels much better than temporary financial convenience. Habit number 5. Never investing your money. Saving money alone is only part of the solution. Inflation slowly reduces purchasing power every year. Investing allows money to work while you sleep. Even modest amounts can grow significantly over decades. Start learning today, even if you begin small. Habit number 6. Having no emergency fund. Life always delivers unexpected financial surprises eventually. Without savings, emergencies often become expensive debt. One unexpected expense can destroy months of progress. Instead, create a dedicated emergency savings account. That safety net protects your financial future. Habit number 7. Waiting for the perfect time. Many people delay saving, investing, and learning. Unfortunately, time is the most valuable financial asset. Every delay reduces the power of compounding growth. Instead, start before you feel completely ready. Small actions today beat perfect plans tomorrow. Let's quickly review the 7 habits again. First, stop spending without a clear budget. Second, stop buying things to impress others. Third, pay attention to small recurring expenses. Fourth, avoid unnecessary debt whenever possible. Fifth, learn to invest for long-term growth. Sixth, build an emergency fund consistently. Seventh, stop waiting and start immediately. Money habits determine financial outcomes more than income. Many high earners stay broke because habits stay broken.
Meanwhile, disciplined people build wealth step by step. Financial success rarely happens through luck alone. Consistency matters far more than occasional motivation. Keep learning because financial education pays forever. Automate good habits whenever possible to stay consistent. Small improvements compound into major results over time. Your future self depends on today's financial decisions. Replace one bad habit this week and continue forward. Progress starts when awareness turns into action. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. Every smart decision strengthens your financial foundation. The habits you choose today shape tomorrow's results. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Which habit will you change first? Decide today. Subscribe for more money lessons and start building wealth today.